Hi everyone, I hope you are well and welcome back my YouTube channel. Today topic is the why Java's platform independence. As you know, Java is widely used in the industry and it is a high level and platform independent language because it is used JVM Java Virtual Machine. Before the platform independent, I explain JDK and JRE and JVM. So JDK is stand for the Java Development Kit. It is internally contain the JRE and JVM. JRE stand for the Java Runtime Environment and JVM stand for the Java Virtual Machine. And JVM is responsibility to make Java platform independence. JDK provide all necessary tools with necessary tools to work with the Java language. That means it is provided Java C. Java C stands for the Java compiler, which translate the source code into the bytecode, and Java means it is a provided runtime launcher used to execute the Java application and jar files. And jar means if our program need any other dependencies, so we download the jar files and add into our project. And this is jar is collection of the program and dependencies. And that is a JDB. This is the most important because it is used to debug the Java program. If sometime Java program throw the error, and if I want to debug our program, so use JDB Java debugger tools. And second is a JRE. JRE stands for the Java Runtime Environment. It provides the environment to execute the Java program. It internally contains the JVM, which is responsible to execute the Java program. Means if it is providing environment to execute the uh, Java program, that means. And third is the JVM. Okay, JVM is a software written in the C language, and this is which of the important part of the uh, Java. And Java can consider the both compile and the interpret language because it is the source code is fast compile into the binary code, and then bytecode run on the JVM, which is usually a software base. It means Java program is convert into the source code. This is a source code Java program. We can say Java program is a source code, and this source code is convert into the bytecode. And bytecode is the platform independent. Bytecode means it is a binary 0 1 format, and it is the platform independent. Means Java program is run anywhere across the any platform. It means, so I'll come back why Java is in platform independent. Java is called the platform independent because use the Java virtual machine. And Java virtual machine is a software and that is used to convert the convert the our Java program into the understandable bytecode. And these bytecode are the platform independent and can be used any other operating system. And the bytecode are the stored in a .class file. As you see, if I create a Java files in the VS Code, so I click the run button, java.class file is generated. This is a java.class file is the collection of the bytecode, and these bytecode are the platform independent. Here I draw uh, a diagram, which means this is JDK. JDK is the superset. Means it is a JDK is the contain the internally two tools, JRE and JVM. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JVM is the inside the JRE and JDK, which is a Java Virtual Machine is a software. I hope you are understand. Okay, keep watching.